So in this video, we are comparing the three popular note-taking tools, which is the Joplin, Obsidian, and the Notion. So first, Joplin is an open-source application that emphasizes privacy and markdown-based notes. Its pros: it is free to use, it supports end-to-end encryption, and cross-platform syncing. Its cons: it is lack of collaborative features and limited customization. While on Obsidian, it focuses on local-first storage and knowledge graph visualization. The pros of it is the bidirectional linking, extensive plugins, and visual graph representation. The cons of it was learning curve and reliance on plugins for advanced features. And then, lastly, on Notion, it is a collaborative, all-in-one workspace tool and rich media embedding, team collaboration, and powerful databases. And its cons are it is limited offline use and the subscription cost. So, in comparison of three, choose Joplin if you value privacy and markdown, and choose Obsidian if you need advanced linking and local storage. Lastly, choose Notion for collaborative and versatile project management. And in conclusion, for personal, privacy-focused notes, Joplin wins. For knowledge management, Obsidian shines. While for collaboration and project management, Notion is the best.